This summit is about the future. The Telangana Rising Vision we present to you is not merely a collection of statistics or a portfolio of projects. It's a solemn pledge to redeem the promise of our potential completely in full measure. Our vision is very, very bold. We want to become a $3 trillion economy by 2047, in line with Viksit Bharat dream of Honorable Prime Minister. By 2047, when India celebrates its 100 years of freedom, Telangana will also be a proud member of the country. But how do we redeem this pledge? How do we achieve this goal? We do so by reimagining the very geography of growth. As all the captains of industry, the economists, all of you are aware, the economy is made up of three parts: the agriculture, the industry and manufacturing, and the services. In Telangana, we have defined the geography exactly to reflect these areas. The rural area, where 60 lakh of our farmers live, we would like it to become a vibrant, natural farming area, which will be connected to the agriculture value chains across the world. Now, this will be the engine which will drive the rural area's growth. After the rural area, in between Hyderabad and the rural area, we have the peri-urban area. Now, this particular area where the Bharat Future City is located, we would like the imagination of the future to take shape here, whether it be artificial intelligence, quantum computing, net zero, any of these new ideas, we would like them to take place here. And then comes the core. The great city of Hyderabad, which has more than 400 years of history, is now looking at the future. This is where we would like to have the services to be located, the world-class services, IT company and other companies to be located here, where they will not only produce for India, but for the rest of the world. This is the architecture of our ambition.